In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Etsy promo code. If you love shopping on Etsy and want to save a little money on your orders, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look for promo codes that are already available on your account. We'll be using the built-in options inside Etsy, so you don't have to hunt around random coupon sites or guess codes at checkout. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy Marketplace homepage. You can do this by typing the Etsy website address into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're on the official Etsy site and not a third-party page, so that everything looks and works the way it should. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so Etsy can show offers that are linked to you. Once you're on the Etsy homepage and signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Depending on your account, this might appear as your profile photo, your initial inside a small circle, or a generic account icon. Click on that profile section. This opens a drop-down menu with options related to your account, such as your purchases, favorites, account settings, and more. From this drop-down menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Special Offers. The exact wording can vary slightly by region or if Etsy updates its interface, but it should clearly mention offers or promotions. Once you've found it, click on Special Offers. After you click, Etsy will take you to a page dedicated to promotions that are available to you. This is where you may see promo codes, discounts from specific shops, or time-limited offers that sellers have shared with you. If a shop has sent you a coupon after a purchase, or for items in your cart, it will often show up here. Take a moment to scroll through this page and check what's currently active, including any expiration dates or conditions like minimum order amounts. When you're ready to use one, make note of any promo code shown and the shop it applies to. Then, as you shop and head to checkout, you can enter that code in the promo or coupon code box, or the discount may apply automatically if Etsy indicates that it will. That's all there is to it. By regularly checking the special offers section from your profile, you can quickly see which Etsy promo codes are available to you before you complete your next purchase.